Key points of speech of Mr. Shashikant Das, RBI Governor, on May 22, 2020. RBI extends moratorium on term loans for a further period of 3 months till August 31st. Reduction in repo rate by 40 basis points from 4.4% to 4%. Reserve repo rate to 3.35%. Maintains accommodative stance. The MPC assessed that inflation outlook is highly uncertain. By quarter 3 and quarter 4, it is expected that headlines inflation will fall below the RBI limits of 4%. The GDP growth in 2020-21 is expected to remain in the negative category with some pickups in second half. The credit facility for SIDBI has been rolled over for the next 90 days. RBI increases export credit period to 15 months from 1 year. The various measures announced today can be divided into following 4 categories: to improve functioning of markets, to support export and import, to ease financial stress by giving relief on debts, servicing and better access to working capital, and to ease financial constraints faced by state governments. Rules governing withdrawal from Consolidated Sinking Funds, that is CSF, has been relaxed while at the same time ensuring depletion of fund balance is done prudently. This will enable states to meet about 45% of redemption of their market borrowings which are due in 2020-21. The group exposure limits of bank is being increased from 25% to 30% of eligible capital base for enabling the corporate to meet their funding requirements from banks. The increased limit will be applicable up to June 30, 2021. Industrial production shrank by close to 17% in March, with manufacturing activities down by 21%. Output of core industries contracted by 6.5%. India's foreign exchange reserves have been increased by 9.2 billion during 2020-21 from 1st April onwards. So far, up to 15th May, foreign exchange reserve stands at 487 billion US dollars. Private consumption has been biggest blow due to COVID-19 outbreak. Investment demands has halted. India is witnessing collapse of demand, electricity, dip in petroleum product consumption. Government revenue have been impacted severely due to slowdown in economic activity amid COVID-19 outbreak. COVID-19 has crippled the global economy and activities across the world has stalled. Recent macroeconomic data revealed the damage done by COVID-19 to the economy and brought forward the need for an off-cycle meet of the Monetary Policy Committee in lieu of earlier scheduled meeting between June 3 and June 5. The RBI has been constantly monitoring the situation, and in the past 2-3 months they have been taken policy measures. They are trying to anticipate and be proactive in announcing reforms. The central bank will be vigilant in battle readiness to address dynamics of unknown future, will preserve financial stability. Thank you.